morning, Marco. Time for that run. Are you ready? Then let's go, my good fellow. What's up, Marco? It's raining? This isn't cricket, you know. Rain doesn't stop play. That's the spirit, Marco. Time to get the right gear out. Well done, Marco. We run in whatever the weather. Oh no, Marco, did the umbrella break? Better luck next time, my good fellow.